Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale health tracking with MyFitnessPal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start scaling your health tracking with MyFitnessPal, first, ensure you've downloaded the app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Next, set your fitness goals by selecting your current weight, target weight, and activity level. Be sure to choose a realistic timeframe for achieving your weight goals. After your goals are set, familiarize yourself with the app's home screen, where you'll find options for tracking your food, exercise, and weight progress. Begin by logging your meals daily under the food section. You can search for specific foods or scan barcodes for easy entry. As you log meals, pay attention to the nutritional breakdown provided for each entry. Consider using the recipe feature to simplify tracking if you cook frequently. Moving on, incorporate exercise tracking via the exercise section. Add workouts directly from the list provided or input custom exercises. As you log your workouts, monitor the calories burned and how they impact your daily calorie allowance. Next, take advantage of the progress feature to visually track changes in your weight and measurements over time. Regularly check your trends in the nutrition section to identify areas for improvement in your diet. Consider upgrading to MyFitnessPal Premium for advanced tracking features and personalized recommendations. Make it a habit to log your meals and exercises consistently for the best results. Lastly, reflect on your progress regularly to keep your motivation high and adjust your goals as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.